Hey there, thanks for stopping by my channel. Look what landed on my doorstep today. The new August Revival Camp from Illustrated Faith Devotional Kit. So I've gotten it out of the box, and so let's go ahead and open it up. I'm going to try to be careful. Uh-oh, no, so much for being careful with that sticker. I was going to try to save that, but you know, hey. All right, so let me see. First up, we have... Oh, no worries. See, there's the sticker right here. Awesome. Okay, so we have a little pouch. And in the pouch is some more patches. I love that. That's looking good. Okay, so we got some patches, and then we've got some washi tape, and it looks like it is pink and white striped, and it's from Scotch. And then you're going to have Revival Camp 2018, a keychain that you can put on your keychain. And we've got some stamps, and these look like they go with the patches, maybe. Yep, here's a tree and the squirrel. Yep, they match the little patches that came in here. And then you've got the words, and you've got a flower and some hearts, a little lamp. That's super cute. Ooh, nice. Okay, I'm loving that. Okay, and then you've got a card, and on the card it says count the stars, and then in this little bag here, I'm not going to rip it open because it'll probably spill everywhere, is some confetti that's got some little stars and some looks like little gold stars, and then it looks like there's some little cute paper clips. Those look super cute that you could put on the top of your pages as a marker. I like that. Okay, and then you're going to have a couple of cardstock. So this one's cardstock, but it goes with some of this with the stamps. And then this one here is stickers, some stars. That goes great with this card that says he counts the stars. And then you've got Summer Camp Kit 2 of 3. Oh, it looks like maybe next month is also going to be a revival thing. Oh, I had no idea. A little note from Shauna. And then in here, you're going to get, let's see if I can get it open, the devotional cards, I'm assuming. I feel bad because last month's came and I never ever got to it. Summertime is just, I have the girls here, and they do not want to do anything I want to do. So, and it's somebody else, last time I seen, they'd saved this little piece of cardboard and they made something out of it. I can't remember who it was now, but on their Instagram feed, they'd made a little booklet or something. Okay, and so you're going to get 4 more devotionals that go with the patches. Is there something on the back? Nope. So awesome. And there's tons and tons, it looks like, of verses and stuff in here. Oh, very exciting. And then, so you're going to have the little story, and then down at the bottom, you're going to have a couple of questions that you could use to answer your journaling. So I'm loving that. That's very fun. I'm assuming, hopefully this month I will actually get to it. Or I might have to start last month's and do, but I never got to it. I feel terrible. And it's sold out. So I'm going to have to look through there and see what was on last month's. But anyway, there is the August Revival Camp Devotional. If you're interested in that, I'll put a link down in the description box, and you can run over and pick it up as soon as it's available, since I guess last month sold out. So I'm assuming this month's will also sell out. So you want to get that, make sure to rush over and grab it as soon as it's available. So I hope you're having a great day, guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.